Will AI replace architects in the IT industry? That's probably a £1,000,000 question right now. Let's have a look into this. So here's the question that keeps a lot of cloud architects up at night. Will AI replace me? Or will it just redefine the job until no one knows what I am actually paid for? Let's be honest. AI is already got its fingers in the cloud pie. It's provisioning the infrastructure, it's doing the Terraform scripts, it's optimizing resources, it's flagging security risks without needing coffee and a Jira ticket or a motivational meme on Slack. Quite naturally, some architects are panicking because where you've spent a decade mastering Terraform indentation and convincing stakeholders that Kubernetes is actually worth it, the last thing you want is a chatbot doing half of your job faster with fewer syntax errors. The thing here though is, AI isn't necessarily going for your badge and hoodie just yet. It's not here to design the next enterprise-grade multi-region disaster recovery setup with 34 layers of governance and a budget held together by hope. It's here to take the boring bits, the copy-paste, the click, click, clack, clack, done, finish. That kind of nonsense. The bits that you didn't love in the first place anyway. So, no, I wouldn't say that AI is here to replace architects, but it might finally force you to become the thing everyone assumed you were there for, being strategic. The job is changing. Fewer diagrams, fewer thinking about which color I should use for that box. More thinking. You will be expected to guide, not to grind necessarily. To orchestrate, not to operate. And quite possibly for the first time in your career, to talk to human beings outside of your organizations and out of your teams, to be able to understand the business needs, the business requirements, to fit the architecture that it actually helps people in your organization. How does that sound? Terrifying? Yeah, I get that. After all those years of you, instead of focusing on strategy, you've been in operations, that must be something terrifying. But life is about change. And change is good. It should. AI isn't necessarily your enemy. Your complacency might be. So no, AI will not kill necessarily your architect job. But AI actually might expose those among us who were hiding behind drawing boxes in Draw.io, Lucidchart and Enterprise Architect and deciding, oh, this one needs to be red, this one needs to be green, this one needs to be whatever. And then literally calling it a day. No decisions, no added value, no nothing. Just the corporate nonsense. Now, all the joking and positivity, how AI is helpful to make our digital life in the technology easier. Let's have a look at it from a different angle, and it comes from a few ideas that I bounced off with a few friends of mine on one of the Discord servers that we have for that matter. And the conclusion there was, sooner or later, AI will change the technology/IT industry and our day-to-day lives and how we consume technology so much that many jobs that exist today will not exist 5 to 10 years from now, maybe quite possibly earlier. AI is designed to operate, automate, not necessarily think, but operate and automate literally anything that we as humans currently operate and run in the IT industry. So if you are in a call center L1 and L2, possibly even L3 engineer, you're in danger. If you are in the software development, software developers are not artists. They don't create wonderful things. They're builders, digital builders. And that building could sooner or later be replaced by AI, because programming is following patterns, it's following algorithms, and AI is one huge algorithm in itself. So algorithms governing algorithms make sense, doesn't it? So yes, we all in the tech industry, in the current jobs that we have today, we are in danger. Who's not in danger is the person who understands other people, the human-to-human connection that the technology is stealing away from us. The real builders, the plumbers, the people who do arts and crafts, all that will stay to a certain degree for as long as we don't have this interface, having the AI in front of a machine, a CNC machine that can literally create whatever based on the instructions that we give it to. And that's where our lives will most likely shift. Whether for the better or worse, that will remain to be seen. That we don't know as of yet. Be prepared. Everyone sooner or later will be replaceable at least operational level. Of course, as I said earlier on in the video, we cannot expect AI to think strategically or to think at all at this very moment where we are in the development, but it's already good at automating some of the basic tasks. Thinking, we will still need us humans to do it with our imperfections and complexities and spontaneous ideas that we bounce off each other. So that will still be there, but that sheer human power that is now consumed and employed in large organizations on the operations job, that is where the danger is. Look, this is not to scare you. This is to give you a reality check of where we can see the trend currently going. So what do you reckon? Let me know in the comments, unless you outsourced commenting to the AI intern already too. Skeptikal Techie, I'm out.